freezing, but it's okay, because guess where we are? I'm Kat, and this is my husband Rain. We're just normal people who both work in healthcare, and we're inspired by many of our patients to live a full and adventurous life while we physically can. But before this, we used to say to ourselves, someday we'll see this, one day we'll go there. And then we would also think about all the reasons why we couldn't go somewhere. Then one day it clicked and we decided to stop thinking that way and start saying to ourselves, we will go there, we will see this. And then we started making solid plans in order to see the places that we've only read about in books. We found that, depending on what you want to do, you don't need a lot of money in order to travel. In fact, with a few tips and tricks, you can actually get free hotel rooms and discounts on cheap flights to a number of different countries. Also, if you want to book a cruise, book it as far in advance as possible, or book it through a travel agent, because you'll get deeper discounts, and if you book it early, you can pay in installments. Traveling is more than just the allure of seeing beautiful places. It's more than getting that Instagram photo or seeing how many stamps you can collect on your passport. It's about learning about other cultures, meeting new and interesting people, trying delicious food, and seeing how the social norms differ from one country to another. Traveling not only opens our eyes about the world around us, but these experiences also help us learn about ourselves. You find that you're braver than you look, smarter than you think, and more fearless than you expected yourself to be. So don't be afraid to jump in the water, make new friends, try new things, because the best things that you can experience are right outside of your comfort zone. So for this channel, I'll be posting every Tuesday for Travel Tuesdays to show you places where you might want to see for yourselves. I'll also be posting a few tips and tricks about how to make it happen, so if you want to see new videos every week, don't forget to click on that subscribe button.